Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We're going to show you our 04 Chevy Silverado. The grill's probably ran into a pheasant or something. A few little things on the hood. They're kind of hard to see. Yeah, probably a little bit of light hail, I would say. But it's an old pickup. Runs, drives good. There you can see the door come open once. Got a little rust in the rockers, which is typical of these old trucks. Like I said, just a good beater pickup. Definitely could use a little more detailing. Like I said, 187, I believe, per miles. I think that's what it is, 187 on it. But power windows, locks, V6, so good runaround truck. Box isn't too bad, got a little rust here. They didn't abuse the bed. But definitely shows some age, but it's cheap. If you're looking for a cheap pickup compared to a newer one, I mean, any truck that runs and drives pretty good under $10,000 anymore is cheap, which not in the old days. It used to be a lot cheaper than that. But so there you go, just an old runaround 4-wheel drive V6 automatic, so you get pretty good mileage. 605-692-7010.